Hey guys, thanks for jumping on this video to watch. I literally just made an entire backtest video, bar by bar rate replay for last Monday and Tuesday. I cut it short. I wanted to do the whole week, but it was dragging on a bit long. And then when I've tried to download it and edit it, it's told me it's corrupt. So I think I just will do a quick video here, just upload something from, because I really want to upload a first bar by bar back testing for the last week. I like to do that each week, just see what was available, what I missed, give me even more confidence in my edge and the setups and everything like that. But you can see the chart behind me, really successful Monday and Tuesday. In terms of the back testing, I was not trading for the last 2 weeks. I had family visiting and everything like that. So would have been awesome. Even Monday and Tuesday provided 34R in London, New York, and 19R just in Asia, with no losses in Asia, which is pretty crazy. So that's a really nice price action. I'm just going to run over it quickly in this quick video. I'll try to do another bar by bar replay soon. I'm pretty annoyed with how the video just didn't work. It's very confusing. But yeah, pretty much just some basics. We're in a daily uptrend, in a daily pullback. We've reacted out of the 4 hours. Our first trade, this is a 4 hour high strong. We were looking for us to, work our way up into this point, and then back down, look at targets depending on what happens on the way up. And yeah, so our first trade, we were pretty much, what I'll do, I will do replay mode. Yeah, it'll still have all the markings, but at least you'll be able to go through it with me a little bit. So annoying. Sorry guys, it's going to be a bit messed up. So yeah, so this is the first trade here. We were looking at the last break of structure on the 5 minutes we had here, which is another edge I use when we've got impulsive market structure. This is the last 15-minute consolidation combined with a 5-minute break of structure. I know we've tapped a 4 hour, but I traded the 15-minute trend until it's broken. So this is what we were looking for. It did play out. I'm just going to play it out. This is in Asia, so I wouldn't have personally traded it, but I just want to show you that this strategy works no matter where. You may want to give yourselves a bit more, what I was saying later in the video. I give 0.5 pips on top of the order block. You may want to give maybe a pip if you're trading Asian sessions, just because I know there's a lot less liquidity. But yeah, hopefully you can see this all right. And yeah, we've tagged in. What we saw was there was liquidity line here. This is what needs to be broken for us to change to longs. This is a weak low. We've broken it. That's our 6.5R. We've then now tapped further, swept the liquidity, got a 15-minute chock. This is our first area we were looking for. We didn't quite get down there. We've consolidated again, pushed up. And yeah, we were looking at this for the next area, but we missed. And then, yeah, we got a nice break of structure here, so it confirmed reversal. So we've tapped the 4 hour, we've got the 15-minute chock, we've got the 15 break of structure, we've got our 15-minute order block here. Hold on. I don't know why here. That was a 15, then we refined to the 2 minute. Always use the extreme. I really have to upload the full video. We'll make a new one for you guys, but I just wanted to get this one out. But pretty much, yeah, we refined to the 2 minute order block, the extreme one within the 15 minute, and we've tagged in perfect entry, and we were targeting the 15-minute supply, as you can see. for the last major 15-minute swing. Let me just pause that for a second. So that's when we locked in the 19.74. We also had this, was another potential entry we would have taken if it came back, but it left us behind. So then our next entry was this 15-minute consolidation here off the 2-minute POI. We've been tagged in there. We would have taken this as of the last 15-minute strong swing and taken a loss. So then we keep following the 15-minute uptrend. And yeah, so what happened with this one is we got the tag. I don't hold trades overnight. So it did reach its target in the end if you do hold trades overnight and are happy to. But I closed it out. I would have closed it out around here in spread hours, 9 o'clock my time, so 4.8 as we closed. You'll see that it comes all the way back down pretty much to entry down here. You do get an opportunity in Asian session when we get a 15-minute breaker structure inside this 15-minute bullish leg. But yeah, so the Asian session, you'll see in a minute. I hope this makes a bit of sense to you guys. I'm always taking the extreme 2-minute order block, always, with USD. So you see here, this is where the 15-minute breaker structure comes in, and you could have taken the 15-minute POI or order block and the 2-minute refinement. I'm just going to pause that quickly just to show you that. So that was a 15, I've taken the extreme 2-minute. I gave it, if you're in Asia, I gave it an extra pip. Still very small stop loss. And you're aiming for the highs, just like this one. And it played out. We also, this one would have played out for 8R, but we closed it out here manually. But yeah, it would have been interesting if you held it to wake up to it pretty much where you entered before. Just going on to the 5-minute time frame now. Because once we start moving impulsively, I have like a 5-minute strategy that I use. It's to do with 5-minute breaks of structure and the 2-minute POI as well. Here, we would have got tagged just. So it's, if you miss this main move with the 15-minute break of structure, there's potentials to like get in the move following, the fractal time frames. And this would have been the only one. It tapped us to the to the pip pretty much. So whether we got filled or not, you never know. But that's a 5.5 you would have had. This one's the same setup, never got filled. And then, yeah, this never came back. But what we had was, once we broke this high, we had 2 new options. We had the 15-minute extreme, and then we had the 15-minute consolidation before the break, which in impulsive markets, especially when we've had a 5-minute breaker structure and a 2-minute POI that has been left behind, we can often see it play out back into this and then keep continuing up. As you'll see in a minute, I think we got missed by about a pip. I think less than a pip. I think it was 0.3. Yeah, which is, it happens. But it's just part of the trading. So let me just pause that. Both of these would be missed. Gonna clear that up and hold on a second. Okay, so now we've got another breaker structure. Okay. Oh yeah, this happened. This was a crazy one. So we had the same setup. We got another breaker structure. We've got the extreme, and we've also got the last 15-minute consolidation before that led to the breaker structure, which then we marked out the 2-minute POI, and this is a crazy entry for almost an 11R. You'll see now within, I think it was like 15 minutes or something. But that's why we always give this buffer. Oh, didn't mean to zoom in. We always give this buffer here of 0.5 because if you were right on the edge of that 2-minute order block, you may have been stopped out by spreads, and that would have been extremely disappointing. So this one was a bit tricky. We did break structure. So we set this up as a 15 and a 2 here, and yeah, it would have smashed right through. But you just got to keep following the market structure, because this is going to easily tagged in and kept moving. You're following your probabilities, you're following your edge. You can't have, I feel like this might be, I feel like this isn't good, blah, blah, blah. Maybe you're right once, but if the 2 or 3 times that it actually plays out and you're not in the trade, that can be really detrimental. And that was pretty much what we got up to, because it was quite a long video because I did bar by bar. I'm going to try upload this one just quickly. So I tallied it up. This is just Monday and Tuesday last week. I want to do the rest of it as well, and maybe I can just record the rest of that bar by bar or start again from the start and do it all again. But yeah, any questions? Yeah, really sorry the other video didn't work, but at least you get a little bit of an idea of how I trade and the availability in the markets. And yeah, now thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.